Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm teacher Sarah. Today we are going to talk about two words that are very often confused for English learners. Today, let's talk about the words fun and funny. Let's get started. So today we are going to talk about three different forms of the words fun and funny. We will talk about fun as a noun, fun as an adjective, and funny as an adjective. So let's begin with our first form, fun as a noun. First, let's take a look at fun as an uncountable noun. Let's take a look at the definition. Fun in the noun form means enjoyment, amusement, or lighthearted pleasure. So how can we use this noun? This noun often comes after is, something is fun, and other copular verbs. So what's that? What are copular verbs? These are verbs that join an adjective and a noun complement to a subject. So these include verbs like be, which is, am, are, was, were, seem, look, sound, feel, and get. Let's take a look at some examples of how we would use fun, which means enjoyment, amusement, as a noun. The party was fun. So here we are describing the party, right? And it comes after the verb is. The party was fun. It means the party, there was a lot of enjoyment, amusement. The party was fun. Next, that roller coaster seems fun. So here, this means maybe I'm looking at the roller coaster and I think it will be fun. That roller coaster seems fun. I think that it will bring me enjoyment. Skydiving looks fun. Maybe I see someone skydiving and I think, wow, that looks fun. I think if I did that, it would be fun. Again, I would feel enjoyment or amusement. And finally, one of the most common uses of fun in this form, I had fun. Or we might hear it in a question form. Did you have fun? Yes, I had fun this weekend. I experienced a lot of enjoyment and amusement. I had fun. The next form of fun is as an adjective. This is mostly used informally. So here, fun in adjective form means amusing, entertaining, or enjoyable. For example, that was a really fun movie. The movie was amusing, it was entertaining. That was a fun movie. Maybe a movie like Godzilla versus Kong is a fun movie, right? Exciting, wow, amusing, fun. Was it a fun class? This means, was the class amusing, entertaining, or enjoyable? Was it a fun class? I hope you have a fun vacation. This means I hope your vacation is amusing, entertaining, enjoyable. It's similar to saying I hope you have a good time, or I hope you enjoy your vacation. Finally, let's take a look at funny, an adjective. This is quite different from the word fun. Funny has two meanings we're going to look at today. The first and most common meaning of the adjective funny is something that makes you laugh, or something that is humorous. The second way we might use funny is to say something is strange or odd. So let's take a look at the first definition, something that makes you laugh. For example, that comedian was so funny. So here, funny is a word we can use to describe people that make us laugh. The comedian told some great jokes and I thought that they were funny. They made me laugh. Let's look at another example. Danny is so funny. He always makes me laugh. So my friend Danny tells a lot of great jokes and every time I see him, I laugh a lot. So I could say he is funny. The next definition for the adjective funny is something strange, odd, or unusual. So we might say something like, she has a funny way of talking. This doesn't mean it makes us laugh. This means it's strange or unusual. So maybe she has a different accent or says things differently than we are used to. So we might say, she has a funny way of talking. We can also use funny in the term funny looking. So for example, that's a funny looking animal. This means the animal looks a little strange or unusual. So remember, the biggest difference between fun and funny is that fun is used to describe something that it causes enjoyment, whereas funny is just means something that makes you laugh. Or as we see here, you can also use it to talk about something that is strange or odd. Let's get some practice. Here we're going to fill in the blanks with the word fun or funny. So let's go through these together. Number 1, that was a blank movie. It was so enjoyable. So which word means enjoyable or entertaining? Here, fun, in the adjective form. That was a fun movie. It was so enjoyable. Number 2, our teacher is she tells a lot of good jokes. Okay, she tells a lot of jokes. She makes me laugh a lot. So is she fun or funny? Here we would use funny because she makes me laugh. She is funny. Number 3, I had a lot of blank with you today. So here I want to use a noun, right? Something that we had today. We had a lot of fun today. This means we experienced a lot of enjoyment and amusement today. Number 4, I'm a blank person. I make people laugh. So would I use I'm a fun person or I'm a funny person if I make people laugh? Here, funny. Remember, funny makes you laugh. Whereas here, number 5, he's a blank guy. Everyone has a good time with him. So he makes people feel enjoyment and amusement, right? Everyone has a good time with him. He's a fun guy. So it can be a little confusing to determine which of these words to use, but remember, fun can be used as a noun or to describe enjoyment and amusement, something that is enjoying or amusing, whereas funny is most often used when we're talking about something that makes us laugh. Okay, everyone, that's it for our video today about the differences between fun and funny. I hope that this helped you and that in the future you will remember which word to use. Please make sure to like and share this video and hit that subscribe button below for more English learning videos from our team of real English teachers. Bye-bye.